Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can create a United States Instagram account using a simple method that you may have not heard before. I'll take you through the process step by step and show you the website I'll be using right now. So if you've been trying to figure out the cheapest way to create an Instagram account with a US based setup, make sure you watch until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first step will be to get your Instagram app and tap create account. When it asks you for number, you can just switch the number to the United States country. Then you head over to the website I will drop in the description of this video below. 1000 SMS 1001sms.com. This is a very cheap website where you can get So guys, to get the number, you head over to the website I will drop in the description of this video below. 1001sms.com. As you can see, this is my dashboard and I still have 25 cents in my balance. So I will come over to the activation side part of this page and search for service. In this search for service, you have to search for Instagram. You have to search for Instagram. It's right here. You can just click it here right now. Then select a country. You also search for United States. No, search for United States. As you can see, the price is very low. It just means 48 cents for the number, and the code will come as soon as possible, because you can come over the in the third step of the how to receive SMS on temporary phone number. You can see get your verification code instantly delivered. So this SMS code arrives in seconds. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to set up a USA Instagram account and has made the process much easier for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications for more useful websites and tools like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.